Good morning, everyone. I am Zafran and Isman. We are from Group 5 Mathsketeers. And today, we would like to present on the survey that we have conducted with the topic of correlation and regression analysis between different age range and hours spent on listening to music. So, we believe that the people of the younger age, composing mainly of students, spend more time listening to music compared to the older generation. So, our objective for the survey is to study the relationship between different age group and hours spent on listening music. And we would also like to predict the total average time spent listening to music and to predict which genre music that different age group prefer. So, to start our presentation today, I will pass to Isman.
Thank you, Zafran. So I will proceed with methodology. So methodology that we use, we prepare an online survey form for the people living in Selangor as respondent to our experiment. We collected a total of 111 responses after distributing it. The dependent variable in this study is different age range, while the independent variable in the time spent listening to music. So on our findings, this is our data and this is our graph. From this graph, we successfully to obtain the trend line, which is with the equation of y is equal to a negative 0.038x plus 2.6426, and the r square value is 0.0586. Next. So this is our analysis and our collected data. Next. So this is our calculation. From the data we collected, the calculation resulted in a negative covariance. The value of our weak negative relationship between the time spent listening to music and different age groups. Next. So this is our chart of responses. So for the above one, we can determine that the most respondent comes from Battalion, which is 28.2%, and the below one is the gender that has respond to our respondent, which is most of the respondent are female, which is parallel to 77.5%. Next we have age range. Most of the respondent we success to collected, their age 18. Their age range between 18 to 22, which is 76.5%. And the below one is hours spent listening to music. We can determine that most of the respondents choose 2 hours to listen to the music. Next. And next we have type of music that listen, which is the most of it is pop music. And when do they listen to music? Which when they study. Next. So this is our survey form. So that's all for me. Back to Zafran.
So, from the data obtained, we would like to recommend to everyone that they should balance their time. We should balance their time on work and entertainment in order for them to carry out their responsibilities, but at the same time would not neglect their own well-being. And regardless of age, everyone should once in a while indulge in music to ease their stress or even just for fun. So, from this finding, we can conclude that each group were inversely proportional to the hours spent on listening to music. This means that as the age increases, the hours spent on listening to music decreases. And we can also conclude that each group from 21 to 25 years old listen to music the most while doing their daily basis, such as studying, showering, and cooking. We also discovered that people between the ages of 31 and 35 spend less time listening to music. And we also managed to predict the hours spent on listening music, as the higher the age group, the lower the hours spent on listening to music. And the R value we obtained is negative 0.2420. It shows a strong negative relationship exists between age range and hours spent on listening to music. So that is all from our group. Thank you for watching.